Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to hide or show system tray icons in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open the settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Taskbar. Under the notification area, click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar, and you can toggle the switch on or off for any app you want to show or hide from the system tray when it's in use, based on your preference. There's also an option to toggle the switch on or off for Always Show All icons in the notification area. Then, enter the notification area, click on Turn System Icons On or Off, and you can toggle the switch on or off for any app or service you want to show or hide from the system tray when it's in use, based on your preference. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.